Yung theme ninyo for the year, we have the Queen of Pentacles. So, napakaganda nito kasi this is kasaganaan. No? This is prosperity, abundance, so most likely magiging consistent ang pagpasok ng financial flow sa buhay ninyo in 2026, which is really good. Baka maraming financial blessings, financial opportunities ang dadating, ang papasok sa buhay ninyo in 2026 na siyang magbubukas ng pinto para kayo ay magkaroon ng kasaganaan, no? Kaya congrats sa'yo. This is also a time, or of becoming uh, bountiful, and plentiful, lalo-lalo na sa pera at sa mga material na bagay. So, yung January na inyong energy is 5 of Cups. So, 5 of Cups is panghihinayang. No? Maaring meron kayo ditong mararamdamang regret regarding something. This could be something na hindi ninyo nakuha, gusto ninyo pero hindi ninyo nakuha, maaaring ine-expect ninyo pero hindi dumating, hindi nangyari, kaya punong-puno kayo ng regret, punong-puno kayo ng panghihinayang, no? But wag nating simulan ang taon ng 2026 ng negativity. Kaya as much as possible kung kayo'y nakakaramdam, or nararamdaman ninyong merong negative feelings, thoughts, or emotions na nandiyan dyan, gawan agad ninyo ng paraan na ma-transmute ninyo agad ito into something positive. Okay? Magpaka-positibo agad kayo para nang sa gayon, hindi na magtagal pa yung negative energy na ito. Kasi it's the more na mas mahaba ang time na nandiyan dyan ang negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions ninyo, mas lalong mag-a-attract yan na mas marami pang negative situation or negative energies. Okay? Kaya as much as possible, agad ninyo yan, i-transmute ninyo into a positive energy. So, February, we have 4 of Wands, may celebration, no? So, maybe you are celebrating love dito, baka meron ditong mga engagement, baka meron ditong kasalan, pwedeng meron din ditong pwedeng meron magse-celebrate ng monthsary or anniversary, may kasayahan, no? There is happiness and joy that you are going to experience dito. At saka, isa pa, meron kayong mga mararamdamang rito, excitement, no? Pwede rin kasi